Miracle, lads, miracle. It finally stopped raining. So let's get this cleaning done. Okay, let's see if she starts. Come on, please. Please, please, please. Damn, it takes her a while. Takes her a while, but she goes. So let me just move the car a little bit. Move the car and we get cleaning, boys. Cars moved, lads. I'm telling you, the brakes are seized the bits. But we'll get there. Like I said, I just want to do a little show you what's inside this brand new. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this, like I'm gonna cry. made in Germany. That's how you know it's good, when it's made by the Germans. So let's check what's inside here. Obviously manual, little car brush, lovely stuff. Wheels, obviously. I don't know, I'm gonna have to assemble this, so might take me a while. Handle, okay, good stuff. Now, car shampoo. We're gonna try this out today, see how it performs. The nozzles and stuff. Let's put it here. Legendary Scar. You know, getting those victory royales, no problem. Power, no, that's the hose. Okay, good stuff. Another handle, cool. And the main event of the evening. Oh. Okay, don't want to wreck this. Here we go. Sorry, lads. I'm just not the greatest at doing unboxings. Connections. I think that's for the phone or the bottle. Screws in there. Unboxing done by Need for VTech, guys. Subscribe. Only the best quality videos. So let me put this together, boys. One sec. Well, hey. Well, look at this. It's all put together. It wasn't even that hard, even for me. But there's one thing I don't know. What the hell is it? What the hell is this? What's this for? Anybody has one of them, let me know in the comments down below, boys. Let's go. Look at that paint in the sun. Electron Per Blue, the best paint job. Quick wash, man. Love for this car never is gonna end. Seeing her all clean, good time. Damn. That's just a quick wash, boys. Never mind. Some polish, some wax, and she'll be mint. I'm just gonna wipe her down now, give her a quick detail spray, and she's all good. Now I'm looking for a window regulator for the driver's side. So guys, if you know anybody, let me know. I'll collect it ASAP. It's time to get the car ready for the NCT test. Needs window regulator. Probably put it on original wheels, because these wheels have stretched tires. It's no for NCT. So slowly, boys, we're getting there. Look at her, mint. Alright boys, let's wrap this video up. You jealous of my Civic, Roberto? Look at this Ford, it's shy, man. Give it a good clean, yeah? Nice one, pal. Mint. Let's get inside, boys. Let's wrap this video up. Car is clean inside and out. It's not 100% guys, but I just made it clean, so it's just nice to work with. I'm sure you understand. So next, I don't know what's next. I'm gonna have a look online for parts that I need. Like I said, if you know anybody with a window regulator from the driver's side, give me a shout. I could collect it at ASAP. What else? Also, if you have sort of any knowledge of how to adjust the timing on the B series, and you're willing to travel over to my house, because I'm not allowed to drive this car on the roads, guys, because it's been off the road for 2 years and it's not insured, it's not tested, it's not taxed. So you have to come to me is what I'm saying. I'm willing to pay, you know, YouTube money, so whatever you want, give me a shout. Let's get this car on the road, guys. It looks so fucking clean, like just with a simple wash, guys. I didn't do anything to it. I just gave it a wash. It just looks so much better, and the interior is not too bad. Look at it. It's nice to sit inside when the car is clean, you know. So boys, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one when we're gonna be preparing the car to put it through the test. So till then, peace out, boys.